Good morning. We are here at Plaza Frontenac in St. Louis. It is a mall, kind of high-end mall. We're here to go to the Bissingers Chocolate store. It is September 15th, and at the end of September every year, they have chocolate-covered blackberries that are only available for a couple of weeks. And so I am showing the chocolate as my husband is ordering us a pound of milk chocolate covered blackberries. You can also get it in dark chocolate, but we prefer milk chocolate. And they do have some Halloween chocolate out, so I am showing the Halloween. These are plastic cauldrons with just little chocolate balls in that, so I thought $15.75 was kind of expensive. Bissingers Chocolate is a higher end chocolate, but for little just chocolate milk balls and a little plastic cauldron, that was a bit much. And this year, in years past, they've had these really nice cardboard haunted house display boxes, and they were really nice, and I'm sure they're from a company in China that it can't get anymore, because now you saw back there they had little wooden coffins. Those are the coffins that you can just get at the Michael's store, so it looks like they bought those and slapped on a sticker. These are other candies. Let's see, Halloween almonds, peanut butter pumpkins. They had some malted milk balls. There's some mints. Those are chocolate caramels, some more almonds. Last year we tried the pumpkin malted milk balls, and they were okay, but the container was just way too much. It's pretty much a strong pumpkin spice flavor, so you can only eat like one or two at a time. So it ended up taking me like practically a whole year to eat the container of malted milk balls. So there, right there to the left, I just panned so quickly you couldn't see it, but I would not recommend those. And then I have to do a voiceover because there are two ladies to the right that are chatty Cathy's the entire time, so you couldn't hear me talking to my husband. They were super loud. Not complaining, just observing. And we end up, I'm looking at those gold coins. I'm just trying to show all the chocolates. Bissingers, I'm not for sure if I mentioned it before, but if you watched my other Bissinger videos, Bissingers is a St. Louis chocolate company. They were bought out by Chocolate, which is another St. Louis company, but they are keeping the Bissingers division, the Bissingers brand. So, and I'm sure all the chocolate recipes. I like both chocolate, and Bissingers. They're both great chocolate, but it definitely seems like they're keeping the Bissingers name. And we did end up picking up those mints. So I'm going back down, looking at more. So just like caramels and creams, they have all kinds of flavors. Those are truffles, so they had a truffle collection. I've had the truffles before. I like the truffles. Pretty much out of everything I've ever tried at Bissingers, the malted milk balls were the only things I didn't really like. And here's some sugar-free pumpkins. I thought those were cute. Here's some creams. Milk chocolate and dark chocolate. So you can buy like individual pieces of chocolate, or you can get assorted boxes of all different kinds of sizes. So this is a location at Plaza Frontenac. They have a factory kind of downtown, and then the Deerbergs and Schnucks are local grocery stores in St. Louis, and they will also carry a small Bissingers display. So there are several places in St. Louis that you can find Bissingers Chocolate if you're interested. I definitely recommend it. I love it. And the yearly Blackberries is a treat for us. I've never tried their chocolate covered oranges. I need to try that sometime. I am just going back and forth because they are individually boxing up the blackberries. They don't like pre-box them up. It's basically weighed to order, and they take their time. The boxing and packaging is very nice. So this whole 5 minutes, the lady has been getting her blackberries together. So nothing wrong with that. Just taking her time. And they'll put like ribbons on the box, and they'll wrap it and gift wrap if you want. They are just super nice and friendly about that. so many choices. I just want one of everything, but I resisted the urge. And so, yeah, that's it. At the end, I will show our taste testing of the blackberries. And you can see they have some Halloween decorations. A little subtle Halloween. This whole mall, you'd have no idea it was Halloween. This store is the only one that had Halloween decorations. All right, we are back home, and these are the milk chocolate blackberries. You could have got dark chocolate, right? But I love milk chocolate, so. All right, taste test time. Spoiler alert, they're awesome. But here we go anyway.
Gonna burst with some flavor.
All right, Robert. Got one.
I know they're gonna be good.
So, these blackberries at Bissingers are only available like 2 weeks out of the year. Oh my god. Chocolate covered blackberries. So good. Let me have another one. Robert's got the box in front of him.
That's where it's supposed to be.
So good.
My mom used to love these.
Here, watch me that. My hands are sticky. And then we also bought chocolate covered mints. I'm not gonna open them right now. They're just chocolate covered mints. They make a good mint. It's the white creamy mint in the middle type. And they're like icing decorated, Halloween themed. I'm assuming that's the devil and not a Sesame Street character. I'm assuming that's Frankenstein, Dracula. They're cute. I just wanted something Halloween themed.
Maybe it's Heat Miser.
I think it's Heat Miser.
No.
I think it's the devil. Let's see what's covered underneath this ribbon. Who is that? I think it's a witch.
That's a witch? Oh.
You know what? Let's open one of these up.
I'm not sure about that. Where's your witch hat?
Let me take a picture real quick. Hold on. So, I'm just laughing because Robert says the witch looks like Arthur's sister, and he had to show me the cartoon author, Arthur, and it does. It does. So, whoever, the artist who drew these mints was inspired by 90s cartoons. So this is just a,
That's hilarious.
I'm assuming this is supposed to be a skeleton. I'm pretty sure I could do a better job, but that's fine. I realize fine detail is hard.
I want Arthur's sister.
And I was right. It's the white creamy center. It's a good mint.
Tell me that's not her.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let me show the people on camera. This is the witch. This is Arthur's sister. Eat Arthur's sister. Tell me what you think.
All right.
It's a good mint. I'm not a normal mint girl, but that's a good mint. I like a creamy mint. I don't like a hard mint.
Well, that's good.
It is good. All right, so that was Bissingers. If you don't live in the St. Louis area, I do believe they will ship to you. Usually their shipping is reasonable. It's kind of high right now. Not necessarily their fault. Everyone's shipping is kind of high just due to the state of the world right now. But if you can splurge, I definitely recommend getting some Bissingers chocolate. I've tried a lot of chocolate companies, and my two favorite are Bissingers, St. Louis company, and Norman Love, Fort Myers company. Out of all the chocolate, I've tried over 100 different chocolate brands. I love chocolate. Those are the two. And actually, Norman Love also ships, and their shipping is reasonable. So if you want to try a chocolate, Bissingers or Norman Love's, those are the two I recommend. And I'm glad Bissingers is a local company. So we got this at, I showed you in the beginning of the video, Plaza Frontenac. And it's a really nice mall, but that's the only store we go to. All the other stores are kind of expensive. Like they have a Louis Vuitton and a Saks Fifth Avenue, and I just go for the chocolate. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we will see you later.